Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here with Alternative Brewing. Today we're going to be brewing coffee using the Trinity Zero coffee press. This compact coffee brewer has been cleverly designed to be as minimal as possible. First, by reducing its overall environmental footprint, taking into account its size, it's using very little material in its manufacturing, and all parts being recyclable. It also uses an inbuilt stainless steel filter, so there's no single-use paper filters required there. It's really easy to master and anyone can use one, and it really is that coffee brewer that only needs hot water and ground coffee to get you brewing. And it'll also brew for both black and milk-based coffees. It's not a bad intro. Now, it comes in a few different colors, and if you're interested in checking out the Trinity Zero coffee press, you can by following this link right here. But stay with me now as we jump in and begin brewing with one. The Trinity Zero is a coffee press that comes apart in three main pieces, with the lid that has an inbuilt pump in it, the water chamber in the middle with the dispersion screen, and this holds around 100 mils of water, and the coffee basket with that stainless steel filter in it. This holds 18 grams of coffee. To get started, weigh out 18 grams of beans and grind your coffee to a medium fine grind. Adding it to the basket, there's no tamp required, but just a little tap to get those grounds nice and settled. Attach this to the bottom of the water chamber and then place the Trinity Zero on top of your cup. From here, we're going to go ahead and add 100 mils of boiling water to the water chamber. And there's also a measurement line within the water chamber to help you out. So from here, we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds, and this is to complete that pre-infusion stage as the water trickles down through the dispersion screen. But once time has elapsed, we can go ahead and add the lid, make sure it's nice and firm down to the top of the water chamber, and then with that inbuilt pump, we're going to begin pressing our thumb to pressurize the water chamber. This is going to begin forcing water through the bed of coffee, and I find you get the best results when you hold your thumb down for a second before pressing again, and there will be a period of dialing in here. So if you find it's not flowing, consider grinding a little bit coarser next time, or even extend that pre-infusion. I find you get that flow started. If it's a waterfall of coffee, then definitely grind finer. To know that it is dialed in, you should have a nice steady stream from the filter basket with each press. And the resulting shot of concentrated coffee is ready within about a minute or two with not a lot of effort in getting it extracted. It's quite incredible for such a small brewer. It makes a strong cup of coffee, and it's in that realm of a hybrid kind of brewing method where it's perfectly good to be drinking a short straight black coffee like this. Yeah, it's really strong. Yet it's nice and clean, not muddy at all. It's quite balanced and it's not overly bitter. And you could quite comfortably dilute this with hot water for a delicious, longer lasting long black, or even make a 6 to 8 ounce latte using a brew from the Trinity Zero and then pour in some steamed milk for a delicious latte or cappuccino. Now, with the initial strength of the coffee that comes out of the Trinity Zero, it balances really well in the milk. Now that's smooth. And it gives you a few different options depending on how strong you enjoy drinking your coffee. And you could also play around with the ratios of the water to that 18 grams to get an even more concentrated shot out of it. In cleaning the Trinity Zero, it's pretty straightforward. There is a trick to pump a few more seconds of air through the bed of coffee to dry it out as much as possible before removing the coffee basket from the water chamber. Dump out the grounds and then give everything a good rinse under the tap and dry it out for next time. And it packs away within itself and it will literally fit inside your pocket. It's that small. And that's the Trinity Zero coffee press for you. It's a super compact and lightweight brewer that makes a strong cup of coffee. And considering its ability to brew both black and milk-based coffees and its portability, I can see this ticking the box in a lot of coffee brewing scenarios, whether you're at home, at work, or on holidays. And it's really well made. Minimal in many ways, except making a great cup of coffee. So if you have any questions on the Trinity Zero coffee press, throw them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.